just want to have
You're going to harvest the sweet potato.
potato. You wait first row for the mosquitoes getting but the mosquitoes getting here all the time. You get all little poopies. Poopy guys. They are little poopy guys. I take Mama to the run. Me? And today we're going to harvest some tomatoes today. Today we're going to go talk comment.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato is the curriest of the world. A potato! And look at this.
This is the trimming of the vine.
Yeah, the vines. Before it gets growing, it gets weeds. It was like that.
Grabe si Lolo yung makasingit.
When the mosquitoes come, we bite you. Well, we have to get out of here after the potatoes. Let's take this potato out. Get good. I'll make some things too. That's a big thing. Let's get that down. Dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 42. Oh, that's a big one.
Ah, nothing.
Uy, sulod na sa ilang tingali.
Today we subscribe you wanna
Oh my god, look at that. So big.
Oh yeah! One ticket.
Dere, ibutang nga.
Tawa dia dudung.
It's a potato.
Yes. It's like
A ticket.
Oh.
8 inches.
Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah. I see it. Woo.
Okay. I like this.
Let me get this out. Today we're going to take it out today after this.
Guys, behaw sa be? Oh, tatters.
That was on.
Okay, this is not bad.
Wow! Does he want to subscribe or does another
I
one?
think this is a different one.
That's okay, that's okay.
This is a different kind.
Let's put it all together. Excuse me? Ah! The biggest girl!
No. Ta-da! So there's another kind.
Oh.
It's more yellow. You see, if you pull it, you break it. So that's why we try not to pull it.
It will that's done and then what's in the creepy?
Hindi magura.
That's
You
why-
put it here on the can, there's fast.
Oh my goodness.
Let's get it 4.
Yeah, this is a very good harvest, guys.
Yeah. The harvesting we had to make a carousel and they put it no right now. Oh, you're stupid bee. It's the biggest scoop. It's the biggest scoop.
That's a very good harvest.
This is not good because the bee hurt me. The butt.